Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpair your Meta Ray-Ban AI glasses. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and unpair these glasses just so that you can give it to someone else, or maybe you want to go ahead and sell them. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the Meta AI app, which looks like this. Then click on the three lines and click on devices. Now find the glasses which you want to go ahead and unpair. Click on the gear icon on the top right, click on general, then click on unpair glasses. Now you're going to see a prompt here where it says unpair glasses on app. And to complete the process, you'll also need to forget your glasses in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Click on unpair and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and unpair your Meta Ray-Ban AI glasses. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.